Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into the complete 2025 guide on how to use Monday.com for product feedback collection. First things first, you need to create a new board. Head over to the left sidebar and click on New, then Blank Board. Give it a fitting name like Product Feedback. This step is important because your board is where all your feedback will be collected and organized. Next up, it's time to add the columns you need for your feedback. Click on the plus button next to the New Item button and start adding columns. You might want to include columns for feedback, submitted by, product version, and status. The reason we do this is that these columns will help you sort and filter your feedback effectively. Now that we've done that, let's talk about automations. Click on the robot icon on the upper right to set up automation. One useful automation might be when a status changes to in review, notify someone. This helps us because it ensures that no feedback ever slips through the cracks. You've set up your board and your automation. Now it's time for the Forms feature. Click on the Form view at the top, then click Add View. Customize the form according to the information you want to collect. The great thing about forms is that anyone can submit feedback directly into your board, even if they're not a Monday.com user. All right, you are all set up now, but let me explain why this matters. Collecting product feedback is crucial for understanding your customers' needs and improving your product. By organizing this feedback on Monday.com, you streamline the process and make sure every piece of feedback is seen and dealt with. And there you have it. A quick, easy way to use Monday.com for product feedback collection. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.